I'm obsessed with this. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed.
Welcome back, everybody. Now, I said earlier that I'm not going to be filming the stands that I've probably seen before because we've done all those, haven't we? And we're at the Painting and Decorating Show that's tied in with the Installer Show at the NEC. Now, I'm over on DATATAG. Now, you've probably heard of DATATAG. They're the company that do all those little microchippy sorts of things that go onto things like motorbikes. But there is a little bit more of a wider scope that you can actually use these data tags. And being a painter and decorator, and like you've probably got equipment on the back of your van that wants actually data tagging in case it was stolen. So I'm going to speak to Miles. He's going to actually explain a few things. We'll have a sweep round on the stand and we can get a better idea of what this actual product is. So let's speak to Miles. Hello there, Miles. What have you got on the stand today at the Installer Show 2026?
26, indeed. Morning, Phil. Yeah, so we've got our tool marking system that we developed back end of last year to protect trades and their valuable tools. Our system, simple box, comes with 48 individual identifying labels. You've got the main black label and you've also got a smaller QR code label. What we normally say is that the main label goes on the main body of the machine or the tool, and then the QR code label goes on to batteries and chargers, etc. On top of that, you have a file of microdots, which are held in a UV trace glue, as you can see there, and every one of those little tiny grey dots you can see there actually looks like this. So each one contains a unique number linked back to your account and your tools. So when you actually paint those onto the tool itself, you can see they shine up really clearly into the nooks and crannies where you wouldn't normally have any access, so they stay there forever. There's no issues with that. And again, you can see little grey dots in there. That UV trace adhesive also contains a forensic DNA, so even if all the dots were taken off, we could test the tiniest amount of glue and still recognise that that's your tool. Finally, you've got 24 toolbox warning labels, which you can also use on tools. And on top of that, you have 2 van warning labels for exterior and 2 warning labels for the windows. So not only are you warning everybody that from the outside looking at your van that your tools are marked, you're also seeing it on toolboxes and on some tool parts. So the whole system comes in at $49.95 plus the VAT, so it works out at just over £1 per item marked. But that's not to say that you can't use these dots on anything else, laser levels, chisel sets, wrenches, etc, etc.
Things to relate to painting and decorating.
Well, painting and decorating in that sense, you've got items that you would still, you might need levels, you've got other smaller items that you could use the dots on, and it protects everything. When you go online, you can scan the QR code here to register your system. You set up an account, add the system to it, and then add all the tools to it. You can register 24 tools with 2 images per tool. So that means you can see exactly if there's any unique marks on them that you can actually register as well. It gives the police a really good chance of spotting anything that's going on. Now, the good thing with this UV, with the QR code rather, if a police officer were to find a tool and scan that QR code, as quick as that, there you go, straight away, I've registered that tool as stolen, and it tells the officer there's interest in that tool from a data tag point of view, and they know that there's something wrong with that. That gives them the evidence to seize that item as being suspected stolen and potentially arrest the person who holds it for handling stolen goods. In that way, this system deters theft. Thieves want low risk, high reward. If there's low reward, which this is a 20 quid sale at a car boot sale, they want 0 risk. This adds a level of risk that they're not prepared to take. So potentially, we're looking at if every tradesperson took tool theft and tool marking seriously, car boot sales would be over overnight because they wouldn't have the opportunity to sell them without getting caught for it. That's where we're talking to tradespeople, that's what we're hoping to get across to them, and the message is, for £1 a tool, for life, no annual fees. Protect your business, protect your tools.
I'm glad you picked up on that. I was going to ask you, once you buy this kit, is it a reoccurring, you've got to renew it every 5 years or 10 years?
Absolutely not.
But you've mentioned it's for a life.
It's one-off. We call our system a fit and forget system.
Yeah.
You fit it once, it lasts for life. There's no, these labels are tamper evident. We've been picking at this one for about 2 weeks now, and it just fragments in little tiny pieces. They're really difficult to get off.
Yeah.
The glue that we use here is the same glue we use in our powered personal watercraft. So out on sea all the time, or in our boat systems. So it's a silicon-based glue. It's incredibly hard-wearing, and therefore we don't expect that to ever come off. The whole system will last for the lifetime of your tools, no question at all.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much for that. And as I say, we're looking at tools. The decorator does have drills. They probably have
multi-tools, yeah, that sort of thing, yeah.
As well as sanding equipment.
Yeah, all sorts, anything like that, yeah.
If you're really into your motorbikes,
yeah.
You can also put it onto your motorbike as well, which also transpires if you wanted to do your van, you could do your van as well.
We've got systems for vans, trailers, you name it. We can help you protect it.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much. And I believe there might be a discount code being offered that if anybody wants to look in the description below, that might be able to help you if you
Absolutely,
want to
we can do that. We'll get that set up. Absolutely,
Lovely.
we'll do.
Thank you very much for that. Very interesting.
No problem at all.